Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulled.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living. I hope everyone's having a great day today. Marie and I, we're doing real good, and we're getting ready to have some lunch, and I just wanted to share with you what we're going to have for lunch today. This is a real simple little recipe, and it's not very expensive to make, but we're going to be having chicken salad, and I'm going to be using canned chicken to make the chicken salad. You can use rotisserie chicken, or you can cook your own chicken, but we've got plenty of this canned chicken in our prepping supplies, and so that's what we're going to be using today. Let me get started on this and show you how we're going to do it. I've already got the juice drained off of this chicken, and so I'm just going to put all the chicken in a bowl. And I'm going to just cut it up just a little bit so it's not in such big chunks. That's one thing about the canned chicken that Marie and I really enjoy. It's always real tender, and it makes a very good chicken salad. And we're just using ingredients that we had here. I didn't want to make a trip to the store to pick anything up, so just using what we got. Okay, that looks good there. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some mayonnaise to it. And we're using Blue Plate mayonnaise, but you can use any type of mayonnaise you want to use. And I'm going to put about 2 or 3 tablespoons full in here. And this is not measured out. This is just this is a recipe that you just put the amount of ingredients that you want. Okay, let me go ahead and start mixing it up some and see if this is going to be enough mayonnaise. I think it will be. I've made this quite a few times. Marie loves chicken salad sandwiches, and so I figured this would be a good lunch for her. She's been having to take a lot of pain medicine, and that pain medicine causes her appetite not to be too good, and so she felt like she could eat a chicken salad sandwich, so that's what I'm making her real quick. Okay, yeah, that's going to be plenty of mayonnaise. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Not a whole lot, but I'm just going to sprinkle some on. And now this works real good if you've got celery, but we just happen to be out of celery today, so I'm not going to put any celery in it. But if you got some celery, you can dice up just a few little small bits, and it's real good. Okay, next I'm going to add just a little bit of the sweet relish, and this particular jar is almost empty because we use it in almost everything we make. But I'll put about 1 teaspoonful in here. I'm down to the bottom of the jar on that one, but okay. I'll stir this up. Okay, that's looking good there. Now I'm going to add one more thing to it. You can use either seedless green grapes, but I'm going to be using these red grapes, and they do have a few seeds in them, but they're not very big seeds, and I'm just going to put a few in here. I'll just go ahead and put all these in, and I'm just going to toss them around a little bit, mix in here with it. Okay, got those mixed in there with it now. So I'm going to go ahead and start Maria's sandwich first. And I'm using some sesame seed buns. Put a little bit of this chicken salad on here. And on this chicken salad, it actually works better if you can put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for just a little while and let it get colder. But we're going to eat it right now, so we're going ahead and making it right now. Make it pretty thick for Marie because she really enjoys this. Okay, and I forgot one thing. I need to get some lettuce out of the refrigerator real quick. Okay, I'm back and got some lettuce for Marie, and so I'm going to put some tomatoes on here for her. Then I'm going to put a little lettuce on top. Okay, now, okay, so that's going to be her sandwich. Now for myself, I can't eat a whole sandwich. So I'm just going to put me some in a bowl here or a plate, and I'm just going to have chicken salad like this. And let me get some of those grapes in there with it. Okay, so that's how I'm going to be having mine, just in a plate. Okay, so there it is. This is Marie's chicken salad sandwich. I'm going to go ahead and carry this in there to her and let her eat it and enjoy it. I know for a fact that she's going to love it because I've made this for her quite a few times. I'll do a little quick taste test here. Okay, that's perfect. That's just the way I enjoy it, and I'm pretty sure Marie's going to enjoy it too. So I just want to do this quick video, show you what we're having for lunch today. This is not a full meal, but for us it's our lunch meal today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all have a great week, and we will see you on our next video. Bye. And as Marie would say, do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.